Good morning, friends, followers, students, young people. I want to start giving some practical tips to people based on my studies and my experience. Uh, I want to look at the aspect of peer pressure very quickly. For those of you that are struggling with peer pressure means that something you would do in a group that you wouldn't normally do by yourself. In other words, the people are influencing you or putting pressure on you to do something which you might not like doing. A quick solution to this is that if you start feeling pressurized or uncomfortable, excuse yourself and go to the toilet, to the toilet, and then look in the mirror and ask yourself, is this really what I want to do? Whether it's drinking, whether it's drugs, or going home with somebody, ask yourself, is this really what I want to do? And look into the mirror. And if the answer comes to you that yes, this is what I want to do, then it's fine. But if the question makes you uncomfortable and you feel, no, this is not what I really want to do, my friends are sort of pressurizing me, yeah? Then a good tip is simply to walk out of the toilet and go home. So don't go back into the situation again because you're obviously vulnerable. So if you feel uncomfortable, if you feel it's not what you really want to do, go home. Come out of the toilet, take another route and go home. If they query you later, just say, no, I felt sick and I went home. So this is a good tip to when you are in a situation which could be dangerous and unpleasant and you want to avoid this peer pressure. Well, I hope it's been useful for you. For those of you that are interested, you can have a look at my website. I've got lots of books and articles there that may be of interest to you. www.discoveringyourself.co.za. Thank you. Yes, just to add to my latest video, which I've just shown you on peer pressure, this is fully discussed in my latest book, The Power of Authenticity. In other words, by becoming yourself and becoming more authentic, you are able to resist peer pressure. And I hope that you will find this book quite interesting. Thank you.